Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're seeing signs of a diverge and we're resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line at the price of $1,834. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain slightly in positive MACD. We're still heading into negative MACD territory. And we did encounter resistance with the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $1,865. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, and for now we are going to encounter another attempt to touch the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $1,811 as our support. And as for resistance, that will be where we have the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $1,879. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around, say, 2.2%, and to test support, that is around 1.5% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $169.14, and that is this range here. As for my sell target, that's at $175.46, and my stop loss is at $166.18. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $175.76, and that is this range here, and that coincided with the highs made back in December 8th. My sell target for that is $172.15, and my stop loss is at $178.83. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 54 or say 55% chance for it to climb between 0 to 1.9% and a 27% chance to climb between 1.9% to 3.8%, and further extreme case to the upside, a 9% chance to climb between 3.8% to 6.8%. As for the downside, we have a 9% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.